Are you ready to burn fat fast without needing any fancy equipment or even leaving your home? This quick, high-intensity cardio workout will help you torch calories and shed fat, and all you need is your body. You'll feel the burn, break a sweat, and get closer to your fitness goals, right in your living room. Ready to transform? Stick with me till the end for the ultimate fat-burning finisher that will take your results to the next level. But before we jump into the workout, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more fitness tips and no-equipment workouts just like this one. Let's crush your fitness goals together. Today, we're going through a no-equipment cardio fat loss workout that's perfect for all fitness levels. Whether you're a beginner or advanced, you can modify each move to suit your pace. And the best part? You can do this workout anywhere, from your living room, a hotel room, or even outside, no excuses. In this workout, we'll be focusing on short, intense bursts of energy, followed by quick rest periods. This type of workout, HIIT or high-intensity interval training, is one of the best ways to burn fat, boost your metabolism, and improve your overall cardiovascular health. So, lace up your sneakers and let's get into it. Here's how it's going to work. We've got 5 powerful exercises. Each one will be done for 40 seconds of work followed by 20 seconds of rest. Push yourself, but always listen to your body. You ready? Let's go. Exercise number 1, jumping jacks. We're kicking things off with a classic, jumping jacks. Simple, effective, and gets your whole body moving. Start with your feet together and jump them out wide while bringing your arms overhead. Keep your core tight and breathe deeply. Let's keep that energy high. Exercise number 2, high knees. Next up, high knees. Get your knees up to waist level and pump your arms for balance. This move is fantastic for getting your heart rate up and working your lower body, especially those quads and abs. Drive those knees up and stay light on your feet. You got this. Exercise number 3, burpees. We couldn't skip burpees. This total body move will help you burn tons of calories. Jump up, drop down into a plank, and pop back up. If you need a lower impact version, step your feet back instead of jumping. But push yourself because burpees mean serious fat burn. Exercise number 4, mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are up next. Hit the deck in a plank position, then drive your knees towards your chest as fast as you can. This one's amazing for your core and your upper body. Stay strong, just a little more to go. Exercise number 5, squat jumps. Let's finish strong with squat jumps. Sink down into a squat, then explode upwards. Engage those glutes and quads to power through each jump. If jumping's too much, just do a regular squat. But whatever you do, don't quit now. We're almost there. Awesome work. But we're not done yet. For a final challenge, I want you to repeat the last exercise, squat jumps, for 30 more seconds. This is your finisher, the last push to burn those extra calories. Let's go. You did it. That was intense, but you just crushed a full cardio workout without any equipment. If you keep this up, fat loss will be on the way and your endurance will skyrocket. Let me know in the comments how you feel after this workout and what kind of workouts you'd like to see next. And remember, if you haven't already, subscribe for more no-equipment, fat-burning workouts, and tips to help you reach your fitness goals. I'll see you in the next one.